Good morning, leader. The world is spinning rapidly, and you are not here just to observe the shifts. You are here to master every single moment. Awaken your spirit and feel the pulse of the city beneath your feet. Today is not just another day. It is your platform for ultimate greatness. Switch on your inner power right now. Open your eyes to the endless possibilities that await those who are brave enough to chase their wildest dreams. The rhythm of the world is accelerating, and you must find your tempo. Do not let the noise distract you from the vision you have created. Breathe in the potential of this morning. Every breath you take is a fuel for the journey ahead. You are designed to lead and to conquer. Step into the light and claim your territory. The horizon is wide, and the opportunities are infinite for those who decide to take the first step. Procrastination is the silent enemy of your greatness. It whispers lies of comfort while stealing your most precious asset, which is your time and potential. Break the chains of hesitation that have held you back for far too long. The version of you that succeeds is the one that acts now. Every step you take with purpose is a strike against the habit of waiting. Movement creates momentum, and momentum is the bridge to your new reality. Stop waiting for the perfect conditions to appear. They will never come. You must create the perfect conditions through the power of your own actions. Break through the invisible barriers of your comfort zone. What you desire is on the other side of the fear you are currently trying to avoid. Be bold in your pursuits. The world rewards those who are daring enough to demand more from themselves and from the life they are currently living. Time is moving, whether you are ready or not. Choose to be the driver of your destiny rather than a passenger in your own life's journey. Reset your frequency to that of a leader. You no longer chase after goals. You attract them by becoming the person who deserves them every day. Your mindset is your operating system. Update it with the code of success, resilience, and unwavering focus on the vision that drives your very soul. Visualize the connections and the logic behind your path. A clear mind sees opportunities where others only see obstacles and dead ends in the road. Confidence is not an accident. It is a frequency you choose to project. When you believe in your value, the world begins to believe it too. Surround yourself with the energy of winners. Success is contagious, and your environment dictates the height of the ceilings you are able to reach today. Find your flow state. It is that magical place where effort becomes effortless and your potential meets its peak performance in every task you undertake. Determination is etched into your very DNA. You were born to solve problems, lead teams, and create a legacy that outlasts your own physical presence. Sync your heartbeat with the rhythm of progress. The world is moving fast, and your ability to adapt is your greatest competitive advantage in this race. The line between success and failure is often found in your daily habits. Choose to align your routine with the future you are currently building. Today, there is absolutely no room for distraction. You must lock your eyes onto your target with the precision of a laser beam hitting its mark. One goal, one direction, and one singular result. When you eliminate the noise, the path to victory becomes the only thing you can actually see. Concentration is like a focused stream of water that can carve through solid rock. Direct your mental energy toward the things that truly matter most. True productivity is not about doing more things. It is about doing the right things with maximum intensity and absolute presence in the current moment. Enter the zone where time disappears. This is where your highest value is created and where your competitive edge is sharpened to a fine point. Let your work become an expression of your excellence. Every keystroke, every decision, and every action should reflect the high standards you set for yourself. Target your milestones with ruthless consistency. Small wins stacked on top of each other create the massive breakthroughs that the world calls sudden success. Your internal compass must always point toward your vision. Do not let the winds of opinion or the storms of doubt blow you off course. Be the calm center in the middle of the chaos. Your ability to remain focused while the world is distracted is your superpower in this age. Execution is the only currency that matters in the world of business. Ideas are great, but results are what build empires and change people's lives. This energy inside you is infinite and renewable. It comes from the fire of your purpose and the physical strength you build every single morning. Refresh your spirit and recharge your body. You are a high-performance machine, and you must treat yourself with the care that greatness truly requires. Push past the feeling of fatigue. Your body has more to give, and your mind is the master that commands the energy to flow through. Joy is a massive source of power. When you love what you do and who you do it with, the fuel for your journey never runs out. Feel the warmth of your own ambition. It is a light that can guide you through the darkest nights and the most difficult challenges you face. High intensity in one area leads to high intensity in all areas. Your physical discipline is the foundation of your mental and emotional breakthrough today. Listen to the heat in your chest. That is the flame of desire. It is the reason you started this journey and the reason you'll finish. Vibrancy is a choice you make every day. Choose to be the most energetic person in the room and watch how the world responds to you. The power is literally in your hands. You have the capacity to take this energy and transform it into something tangible, beautiful, and world-changing today. Do not fear the struggle. Friction creates the heat that tempers the steel of your character. You are becoming stronger with every single hard rep. Never settle for average when excellence is within your reach. Keep pushing until you reach the level where you are finally proud of your efforts. The final stage has arrived. You have built the foundation, and now it is time to execute the mission with total and absolute confidence. Watch the obstacles fade away as your vision becomes clearer. The path to the top is now visible, and it belongs to you and nobody else. Walk with the authority of someone who knows where they are going. You are the architect of your future and the captain of your own soul. 7 minutes have passed. Your mind is sharp, your heart is full, and your body is ready for the challenges that lie ahead of you. The preparation is over, the talking is done. Now, the only thing that remains is for you to step out and prove what you're made of. Chinfuk today. Capture every opportunity that comes your way. Do not let a single second go to waste as you build your dream life. The world is waiting for your contribution. It is waiting for your unique talent, your specific vision, and your relentless drive to make things happen. This is your moment of breakthrough. Your bravery has led you here. Now use it to create something that the world will never be able to forget. Go for it with everything you have. Leave nothing on the table. Today is the day you become the leader you were always meant to be. Your journey to the top starts with this very second. The clock is ticking, the world is watching, and the victory is already yours for the taking.